7286 coming in just to do a little video. One of these, maybe one of these, or maybe one of these. So what we're going to start out with here is, first I have to count 2 area dots, 2 areas, and 2 areas. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So then what I can do is I can cut them in half. So just because I know one of the lines, it makes it easier. The first line is hard to calculate. Then I got the height of the next one. I just draw it down. Then I just count 2. Make a line, count 2, I make a line. Now what I do in here, okay, is I draw a diamond. And then on this side, I draw another diamond. And on this side, I draw another diamond. And then when you look at it, you have the Star of David in the center. And you just keep drawing the tic-tac-toe, the 9 lives of the cat. And then these diamonds. And then you draw again 9 lives of the cat. And you draw that again. And you keep getting the Star of David over and over and over. At the same time, this star, if we were doing number blocks, you know, it's funny, they close down a lot of shops because it's not essential, yet they're selling lottery tickets. I'm just a little confused about that. Need the polygraph test just to know the truth. Another thing is, spoke to an acquaintance today, and his friends went in to do a test. And after waiting 20 minutes for the test, they decided to go home. But they got test results even though they didn't do the test, and they were positive. Highly unlikely. So anyways, in the first box, it's number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 7, number 8. The gateway to heaven is through the delta angle E world through alpha beta. We connect 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 over the 7, 7 into 5. Then we do the opposite. We go 3 into 2, 2 into 6, 6 into 8, 8 into 9, and 9 into 5. And then we create this design over here. This is the beginning, okay, of this. This is your binary calculation. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. That's your binary. Even though binary will take you to 1, 2, 4, 8. Then after that it's 16 becomes 7. Then it becomes 32. 3 and 2 equals 5. And then it becomes 64, and 64 equals 1. So your beginning of 1, 2, 4, 8 end up with 7, 5, 1. We have yet to see number 3, because there is no 3 in binary other than 1 and 2 creation. There's no other 3. So we have 1, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and 1. The total is 96, 106, 112, 124, 125, 126. Total is 127. We spoke about this yesterday, last in the video. The red sun. The addition of the total number of 6, 13 to a single digit, 6, 13, and 12, 25, 26, 27 is your 28. And we spoke about the 128 also. Cycle in the moon to the red sun of creation. When we multiply it, we have 64. 64 times 7 equals 8 and 2, 42, 448. Area space of the sun times 5 will be 224. Because it's very easy to calculate with 5, because the The multiple of 5 makes everything in half. Again, area space. 2 and 2 is 4. 2 and 6, area space. Anyways, I just wanted to bring up this design, a little bit of binary, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Squares, 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 squares. How you manipulate the shapes. How you manipulate the shapes. And that's it. Then you have this, and then you have it here. But here's a little different. You need a complete square separation here, same way as you needed the square separation here. And when you run these lines, you're going to see they're only going to be on the edge. And we've seen this before, this compared to this, only going out to the edge. So if I create it a little bit more, way bigger than this one. And now in each area space, I'm not sure what that story is going to do, but there's a story inside of that. Just can't think of it right now, other than it becoming another, perhaps, inverted Star of David. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video.